Hello, I'm Abdullah, Cloud Support Engineer here at AWS office in Seattle. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AWS End User Messaging to verify UK phone numbers or send SMS messages to UK phone numbers. Let's get started. Before you can use AWS End User Messaging to send SMS messages to UK phone numbers, you must request an origination identity. If you don't have an origination identity set up and you try to send an SMS, then you get an error message such as conflict occurred, reason no origination identity is found. First, let's check whether the SMS account is in production or sandbox mode. Open the AWS End User Messaging console. On the left navigation pane, choose SMS. Here you can see if your account is in production or in sandbox mode. If your account is in production mode, then you must obtain a supported origination identity. To do so, use the AWS End User Messaging SMS console. First, choose Sender IDs. Then choose Request Originator. Next, choose Select Country, and then select UK from the drop-down list. Under Number Capabilities, choose either SMS, Voice, or both, depending on your requirements. There are two optional settings that you can configure. For estimated monthly SMS volume per month, you can choose the estimated number of SMS messages you will send each month. For example, less than 5,000 or more than 5,000. For company headquarters, you can choose either local, if your company is in the same country as your customers who will receive SMS messages, or choose international if your company isn't in the same country. You can also choose whether you want to have two-way SMS. After that, choose Sender ID. If Sender ID isn't available, then choose Previous to modify your use case. Next, in the Sender ID field, enter a Sender ID. The Sender ID must be 1 to 11 alphanumeric characters, including letters, numbers, or hyphens. Also, the Sender ID must begin with a letter. You can then use Resource Policy to share the Sender ID with other AWS accounts or AWS services. Choose Next, and then review the information. Finally, choose Request. If the request was successful, it will show success. If your account is in sandbox mode, then you must verify the phone numbers that you want to send to before you can use a Sender ID. To verify a UK phone number in sandbox, first, we must request a Sender ID as I've just shown you. Then we must run the create verify destination number AWS command line interface command to verify the phone number. The command returns a verified destination number ID, which we'll use in the following steps. To send a verification code to the phone number, we'll run the send destination number verification code command and include the verified destination number ID. Finally, after you have the one-time password, run the verify destination number command. After the UK phone number is in the active state, you can use AWS Pinpoint SMS Voice v2 send text message to send SMS messages to the number from your Sandbox account. To move out of the Sandbox and use registered UK Sender ID for production traffic, you must request production access for your SMS account from the AWS End User Messaging console. Note that in Sandbox, you can only text 10 pre-approved numbers, but after you go to production, you can text any customer in the UK on the link in the video description to request production access moving from Sandbox. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.